You've had a full day. You talked to people, you did things, you kept moving, and now it's quiet. And somehow, in all that quiet, something feels wrong. Not sad exactly, not angry, just empty. Like there's a space inside you that the whole day didn't touch. Most people reach for their phone at this point, put something on, fill the silence, and it works for a little while. But the moment the screen goes off, it's back, that feeling, sitting right there. Here's what that feeling actually is. It's not weakness. It's not depression. It's your mind finally going quiet enough to ask a question it's been holding all day. Is this it? Because during the day, you're busy. Busy is safe. Busy keeps the question at arm's length. But at night, when everything stops, the question finds you anyway. And the reason it hurts isn't because something is wrong with you. It's because something in you knows the difference between a day that meant something and a day that just passed. That emptiness is information. Most people treat it like a problem to escape. They scroll, they eat, they watch something until they're tired enough to sleep, and then they wake up and do it again, and the emptiness stays. Because you can't outrun a question by staying busy. The only way through it is to actually sit with it. Not to fix it, not to solve it tonight, just to let yourself feel it without reaching for something to make it stop. Because that feeling, that hollow quiet, isn't your enemy. It's the part of you that still cares, the part that wants more than just a day that passed. The part that knows you're capable of something that actually matters. Most people never listen to it. They drown it out until they can't hear it anymore. And they call that peace. But it's not peace. It's just numbness. You don't have to fix everything tonight, but don't run from it either. Sit with it. Let it speak. Because the emptiness you feel at night is just your deeper self asking to be heard. And that's not a problem. That's a starting point.